This is section 8.1.2, and it's called the interior angles of a polygon. So let's take a look at this first problem, 8-13. Okay, question 8-13, find the sum of the measures of the interior angles as many ways as you can. I'm going to go ahead and talk about two different ways. Here's the first one. We could just Google it. All the measures are marked as congruent. And Google will show you that each angle is 100 degrees. So each angle is 108 degrees. We've got 5 of them because it's a pentagon, 5 sides. So we can do 540 degrees total. And then talk about this word right here, sum. Now, we use a letter, it's a Greek letter actually, to represent sum in mathematics. It's capital sigma. And of course, sum means you're adding up a group of numbers. So if we're finding the sum of the measures of the interior angles as many ways as you can, it means we're adding up the measures of all the interior angles. Let's go ahead and do one other way here. What if I were to split this pentagon each angle of the triangle forms either the entire angle of the pentagon or part of the angle of a pentagon. So all I have to do to find the sum of all the angles in that pentagon is do 3 triangles times degrees each angle, and that also gives me 540 degrees total. Okay, and that strategy, this is one that we are going to use here in just a minute. Okay, question 8-14, interior angles of a polygon. For part A of this problem, see the back side of the page. So I've got to flip over to the back right now.